Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I'll tell you how to create a bank account in Canada. So let's get started. What are the documents required to create a bank account? First, you need passport. Second, you need your work permit, study permit or your PR card. And third, SIN number, that is social insurance number. Now step by step process. Get a prior appointment for this. Earlier walk-in also worked, but after COVID, they are not preferring walk-in. You can call the bank helpline number and book an appointment. Otherwise, you can go in person and book an appointment. And if you are lucky, they might help you to open a bank account then itself. Bank representative will ask you all the document mentioned in last slide and he will create the bank account. He will hand over you the paper with the bank account details. Ask them to provide a bank statement with address details. This should be signed by the bank representative as well as have the bank seal. You can use this as an address proof later on. You will be asked if you want to apply for a credit card. You must say yes, and credit limit should be at least 5000 CAD. Credit card and PIN will come via post later on to your registered address. Please avail the card with maximum cashback point. You will be given debit card and bank booklet and papers mentioned in point number 3. Go to ATM and create the PIN. If you have any borderless prepaid card or Canadian cash, please deposit in your bank account and you can leave the bank afterwards. Note, you can open a bank without SIN as well, but you must update it once your SIN is created. Once your SIN is created, you can reach to the bank with the SIN paper and your bank paper and you can update your SIN, or else you can contact the bank helpline and get your SIN number updated in your bank account. But updating SIN in your bank account is mandatory for the tax purpose. You will get very good cashback point using your credit card. Once you receive it, I would suggest start using it. In Canada, one cashback point means one CAD. It's not like India, like 4 point or 6 point, like 1 rupee. So please start using it. Now I'd like to thank you for viewing my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a good day.